Okay, so this is a quick demo of my machine learning model that predicts goal scoring in the Premier League. And in this notebook file that I have here, I've trained and evaluated a series of models, but we'll be looking at the most successful model that I ended up with. And so in this first cell here, what we're going to do is randomly select a player from the testing set who we know did score at least one goal. Then we can analyze their stats. We can see how many goals they actually did score. We can see how many goals we predicted they would score. And then finally, we can check to see if the prediction aligned with reality. So running this, you'll first see a bunch of standardized data. So we have a mean of 0, standard deviation of 1. That's why a lot of these values are negative. It's just this has been processed. And so in this case, the player actually did score exactly one goal. We predicted that they had a 0.69 or a 69% chance of scoring. And so that ends up being a prediction that they will score one goal. And so you can see the model did correctly predict for this player that they would score one goal. And if I run this a few other times, you will see that this is actually predicting correctly for all of the predictions we've seen thus far. We'll see if we can find an incorrect prediction. Okay, there we go. So there's one incorrect prediction. This player did score a goal. We said they had a 20% chance of scoring, so that's a prediction of 0 goals. So this is an example of the model failing to predict the correct outcome. Now, we can also make predictions and test these for players who we know did not score. So these would be players who scored 0 goals, and we have the same procedure of being able to analyze their player stats. And then you can see the model correctly predicted that this player would not score. And we can run a few of these here. You can see it seems to be pretty consistently getting the correct answer, but here's one example where it doesn't. So this player did not score. We thought they had a 57% chance of scoring, and so we were incorrect in our prediction. But that is the demonstration of the model. We also have some statistics up here, like a confusion matrix that you can see. There's a class level accuracy of 95.8% for when they do not score, and a 96% accuracy when they do.